What's going on, my YouTube family? Thank you for tuning into this video. I know it's been such a long time from me, the last time video I presented to you guys. I'm finally getting everything together. I'm finally going to commit on doing videos again. So, and there's my Q50, the old one. I tried to fix it, and the bottom line is it needs a new engine. The engine itself costs about $7,000. To put it in, it costs another $3,500 to $4,000. And I'm just gonna take the bags out and take what I can do on this car out, and then just, I don't know, sell it, put stock back on. I'm not sure, but there's more. And here is the replacement of the Q50 that I showed you guys over there. This is the replacement. This is actually a hybrid Q50, 2015. And the only thing that's wrong with this car is, as you can tell, the front bumper actually is damaged. I'm gonna fix that pretty soon, but I had these wheels on the other Q50. Of course, I'm gonna put it on here. I'm gonna get the back from that Q50 over there, put them in here, and all that stuff. So, never owned a hybrid. I heard they're good, they're faster, and they're more reliable. But let me show you guys what else I have on here. Bread and all that stuff. So, I mean, it's pretty nice. Has the starlights. I'll put them on right now. But it's pretty clean. You know, the previous owner did take good care of it and all that stuff. So let me show you guys. So here's our first initial startup, what it sounds like. I'll show you guys the starlight. So this is them inside the Q50. I do have to get it brief, like this stuff. Previous owner had somebody do it, and they did this crappy job. So I have a friend that actually is going to do it for me. So let me know what you guys thinking about this Q50, the hybrid. I was actually going to transfer the front bumper, the red sport bumper that's over there, on that car over there, onto this one, but I can't now because I realized that these have sensors. Right here, right there, and I kind of really don't want to mess with those, so I'm just going to have this bumper redone, and then put the bags on it, and that's basically all I'm going to do to this car. Let me know on the comments below. That actually lights up also at night. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the new replacement of the Q50. Hopefully this will last me a lot longer, and I won't have to spend thousands and thousands of dollars like I did on the other one. So